how to fix Higgsfield AI stuck in queue. So for example, let's say that you're trying to create a unique character here, so ID character, and you've clicked on create character and uploaded your images, and then your request was stuck in queue. So what can you do? Now the first thing that you can do is to wait 15 to 30 minutes. So especially for something like an unique character, it is going to take some time. I personally waited about 25 minutes for my character to complete generating. That is because of high traffic, so that's the first thing that you can do. After you have waited, for example, more than half an hour, what you can do is to click on the three dots here, then go into settings. You want to search for cookies, so just search for cookies, and you will click on delete browsing data, history, cookies, cache. Make sure cached images and files is selected, and just click on delete from this device. Afterwards, I recommend restarting your browser and see if that fixes the issue. And if it doesn't, wait a little bit longer and your character is going to be created or your request is going to be completed. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.